Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable LinkedIn congratulations on work anniversary messages. If you're tired of receiving those automatic anniversary notifications or simply want more control over what updates LinkedIn shares about you, this quick tutorial will help you turn them off. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings to make these changes. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and profile management. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This is your hub for controlling all aspects of how your LinkedIn profile behaves and what information is shared with your network. The Settings area gives you comprehensive control over privacy, notifications, and visibility preferences. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation panel. This panel is divided into different categories. Click on Visibility. This section specifically controls what parts of your LinkedIn activity are visible to others in your network and how your profile updates are shared. Now scroll down through the visibility options until you find a section labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is where LinkedIn groups all the settings related to what updates and changes to your profile are broadcast to your connections. Take a moment to review the options here, as there are several useful controls you might want to adjust. Under this section, you'll see an option called Share Profile Updates. Click on it. This setting controls whether LinkedIn automatically notifies your network about various profile changes and milestones, including work anniversaries, job changes, and other updates. Once you click on Share Profile Updates, you'll see a toggle button beside Share Key Profile Updates. This toggle is currently turned on, which is why LinkedIn is sending out those anniversary messages and other automatic notifications to your connections. Simply click this toggle to turn it off. When disabled, LinkedIn will stop automatically sharing these types of updates with your network. And that's it. You've successfully disabled those automatic work anniversary congratulations messages. Your connections will no longer receive notifications about your work milestones unless you choose to share them manually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.